everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Minha and Hamza. Please like our videos and subscribe to our channel.
This is Minha and Hamza channel. So today I'm gonna do the yellow banana, same like this. This is yellow banana, and we have water. It's gonna make it yellow then. We're gonna put it inside then, and then we paint like
cool.
Like that. The banana yellow, but I need the curtain not become bright, but it's so bright I can't see the yellow color even in the banana. The banana maybe is yellow. No, I don't think so. So another side there. There we go. The banana is perfect. See, it's perfect. We need some more yellow paint. Like that. It's this way all around and paint it.
You like bananas?
Yeah, my favorite fruit is banana. And my favorite fruit as well is apple. And I already painted. And now it's already dried. The apple. He already did when Hamza was baby. Then we need to hold like that. I stole my painting. Oh no, it's fine. I still did these banana. Go like that. So like this. Paint. This one. I need. Hi guys, we done our painting. Next, can do another banana. This is same like banana.
Oh no!
No, this is same like banana. Yeah! My painting, then subscribe. And this is banana. I'll paint some more. Here we're gonna do another banana.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.